Alright guys, I'm here in Moosonee. It's weird, none of the roads are paved. It's just gravel roads, which is fine. And people live a simple life here. A lot of dust. That's why I don't think anyone has curtains on their windows. I'm just gonna go by I forgot what the name of the river is called that attaches itself to James Bay. I'm gonna go there and eat my $30 hamburger with fries. All the prices are inflated here. I guess transportation costs and profit margins. There's only one grocery store, a small CIBC, a small Pizza Hut, and KFC all in one building. Yeah. A lot of the homes look broken down, smashed up. No one maintains anything here, from what I see. All right. There's OPP. Look at this. All right, first paved road. I'm on 2nd Street in Ferguson. Going down to that river. Yesterday I was at Moose Factory, which is the island across Moosonee. And some kid took me on a boat to bring me back here because they had no hotels there, and I paid him 20 bucks. Tipped him 5 bucks. And you gotta see this kid drive that boat. Professional. Alright. So here I'm staying at the Super 8. And it's pretty good, it's clean. I have air conditioning. At Moose Factory, they put you in a trailer, made up home with rooms inside. You share a washroom and a kitchen with other people, which I do not do. Imagine someone brushing their teeth and not cleaning up after themselves. I don't want problems, so I left. Oh yeah, here it is. Check this out, guys. Look where I'm at. Look where I'm at. Yeah. Bears? There's bears here? What? So this is where they come and go from? Let me put my foot down. This is where they come and go. And then you'll take off and go right through there. Let me zoom in. You'll take off, go right through there, and in between those two islands and around that island is Moose Factory. What's sad is that kid that was driving that boat had 12 vodka mixed cans of alcohol and one big bottle, like a liter of alcohol. Told me he would drink it by yesterday night. All right, guys. Check this out. Okay. And my water. The water was so expensive. Doesn't matter. You guys are paying for my meal. Anyways, we're in Moosonee. Talk to you guys later.